Hey there, home bakers! Want to know the secret to baking perfect chocolate chip cookies every single time? I'm here to help. Let's dive right in. First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is crucial to ensure your cookies bake evenly. Now, grab a large mixing bowl. Start by combining 3/4 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of packed brown sugar and half a cup of granulated sugar. Cream these together until the mixture is light and fluffy. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, add 2 eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now, in a separate bowl, whisk together 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture, mixing on low speed until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. This can make your cookies tough instead of chewy. Now for the star of the show, the chocolate chips. Gently fold in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can also mix it up with some milk chocolate or dark chocolate if you like. And if you're feeling adventurous, add in a handful of chopped nuts or dried fruit. Once your dough is ready, use a cookie scoop or a rounded tablespoon to drop balls of dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure to space them about 2 inches apart to give them room to spread as they bake. Pop your baking sheet into the preheated oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown, but the centers are still soft. This gives you that perfect, gooey center we all love. Remember, the cookies will continue to cook slightly even after you take them out of the oven. Let your cookies cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set and makes them easier to handle. And there you have it. Perfect chocolate chip cookies every time. I hope you enjoyed this quick guide to my favorite cookie recipe. Happy baking, and don't forget to share your delicious creations with friends and family. If you tried this recipe, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time. Happy baking!